So guys, I wanna play Roblox with voice chatting with my friends on Instagram, but nobody called. But that's okay. Uh, 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 don't forget to don't forget to say word, guys. Word. Word is here, lol. And this is my vertical strike. I don't know what the word is, but that's okay. But let's go play Roblox right now. So I haven't made a challenge. I haven't made a challenge for years, and some things. So I'm gonna record while playing Flood Escape over here, and then. Sorry guys, my little baby sister has come to play with me now. Okay. This is my baby sister. Help me. Okay, guys. Now I'm inside the game. Okay, my baby sister is talking again. Can you please shut up?
I don't want.
Please shut up. Okay.
What?
Okay, just continue with my baby. Actually, she's gonna help me. I have Robux now anyways. Thanks for subscribing me, and my dad just found some money. My dad just found money from Krusty Krab. From the Krusty Krab. And then took Mr. Krab's secret formula and Mr. Krab's money, and then I got some Robux now. Yay! I paid the Robux with something and okay, it's just fine. But is the elevator broken anyways? What?
No.
Still 3 players left. Let me suspect them anyways. Okay. Wow, it's a girl with Robux and a noob with a the noob just jumped into the water, and also that pro just jumped into the.
Oh.
Why did that girl jump into the water? I don't know why. There's the noob that is in the easy. Is it full? Oh, it's not full yet. Actually, who's gonna come in first? Wait. Now it's full with me inside of it. What? I thought. Okay. Oh my God. Did I jump like this forever? Gosh. Ah! I'm so scared. Yeet. Yeet! Can you please stop talking?
Yes.
Gosh.
Yes.
Yeet! Okay. Can you please stop talking? Oh my gosh. And let me buy a weak one. So I can. There's no way out. Ah! 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 Oh, there it is. Yay! Yay! Boom! 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 Ah! No! 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 Whoa! Boing! That was so weak. Wow! I'm so weak. Gosh! What? Okay. I don't want a cake. Oh. Yay! No cake. No cake for you. Anyways, my baby sister is. The tablet is on low battery, so her mom just touched the tablet and then put until full, so she can play with me. Oh wait, why did you took Sir Meows a lot? Meow 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 meow. I cannot sound like.
Don't let me.
I cannot I cannot sound like Sir Meows a lot. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? I'm stuck in here for... What? Are you kidding me? Okay, that's it. That's it. Wow. And I lose another round. God crap. Wow. That was not very cool. Anyways, I'm not gonna use that. So I'm gonna use a trophy. I'm gonna use a trophy anyway. Trying to get the flood sword, but it's very expensive. But so I'm going to like buy the flood sword next time. What's down there? I never go down here before. What is this? What? Wow! Wait, what? That's the devil's number. What? So I'm gonna go up there. Oh my gosh, the hard one is. I'm going to go to the hard one faster. Just leave me alone. Go to the hard one. Please, yes! Now you're stuck with me. Yeah, you're gonna give me a Krabby Patty first. This is very difficult. This is impossible. Why? What? Oh, no, there's the blood. I cannot step on it. Or I'll die. Oh yeah, I got Robux. I'm gonna get Robux, and I got 0 Robux. So spending the jeans and my shirt and all everything, the game pass and something. Yeah, I just spend it all. I'm gonna get the trophy faster. I'm never going to let you down, trophy. Trophy, you're the best, trophy. Trophy, thank you, trophy. Yes, cheer to me. Cheer to. Let me just get into there. It's gone. Is it gone or is it gonna come out in 1 second? Oh, it's already come out. Ah! Oh my gosh! I fell 2.
Oh, wait.
Oh fuck. Oh my gosh. Now this is my gravity coil. I shouldn't use the gravity coil. Oh, their mission. Going to there in a mission. Let's go over there anyways. Ugh. Why do I always fail every challenge that I don't want to go down. I don't. What? Okay, I'm gonna rage in this round. Anyways, I'm not gonna rage. In this round because it will be loud to your own noise, your tablet or a laptop. Because you're using headphones.
Okay.
You're using headphones while reacting.
Please stop.
Yes, that's what you get. Oh, say, my little sister. I don't punch him. I'm just only joking. I'm just only slapping, but joke slap. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.